very super duper busy and sometimes there is a possibility that we might not have vegetables in the house. What do? Make the simple kanda batata rassa, which is onion, potato, vegetable, which is to die for. It is so yummy, I'm telling you. So let's make your kitchen your family's favorite restaurant by making this potato onion vegetable, which is, I'm telling you, it's to die for. And guys, if you do like my recipe, don't forget to subscribe and then click on that bell icon so that you get notified for all my future recipes, and it's free. So why wait? Now let's proceed. So guys, for this recipe you're going to need 3 potatoes, 4 tomatoes, 2 onions, 10 garlic cloves, 8 to 10 curry leaves, which is curry patta, 1/4 cup of fresh dhania, which is cilantro, 2 teaspoon of sambar masala, 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander cumin powder, which is dhania jeera powder, 1/4 teaspoon of rye, which is mustard seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of jeera, which is cumin seeds, half teaspoon of pav bhaji masala, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, which is haldi, 1/4 teaspoon of goda masala, which is easily available in most of the grocery stores. You're also going to need a pinch of hing, salt as per your taste, and some oil. So now let's begin our process. So guys, I thoroughly washed the potatoes and leaving the skin on, I've diced them into small cube size pieces. I've also diced the tomatoes and onions and I've crushed the garlic. And now let's move on. So in a pressure cooker, I'm going to add the oil. And once it's hot, I'm going to add the rye, which is mustard seeds. And once they sizzle, I'm going to add the jeera, which is cumin seeds. And then the curry leaves, followed by the hing, which is asafoetida, and the mashed garlic. And stir it for 30 seconds. Then I'm going to add the Kashmiri red chili powder and turmeric and the onions, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes or until the onions are 90% cooked. Then I'm going to add the tomatoes and stir it around. At this time, I'm going to add the salt, the goda masala, the pav bhaji masala, dhania jeera powder, sambar masala, and give it a quick stir. And now we are going to cook the tomatoes for the next 3 to 4 minutes or until the tomatoes are 90% done. After 4 minutes, my tomatoes are looking cooked. So I'm going to add some fresh dhania leaves followed by the chopped potatoes and give it a good stir. And isn't this looking so good already? And the aroma, it's all over the place. You have to be here right now. You will want to eat this raw. It's smelling that good. And now let's add the 2 cups of hot water and stir it. And then cover the lid and wait till the time you hear 3 whistles. After 3 whistles, and once the cooker is a bit cooled, I'm going to open the lid. And it's looking amazing and smelling heavenly. So let's quickly serve. And I'm getting so impatient, so I'm digging in. I'm telling you guys, you have to try this rassa. I just tried the rassa right now. It's so yummy, so delicious, just so chatpata. It's like junk food, but it's not junk food. That's the beauty of it. Guys, you have to definitely give this a try. I am going to now quickly wrap it up because I want to quickly eat this. But don't forget to click on this subscribe button right now. Just do it right now. And if you're going to like this recipe, you're definitely going to like this one as well as this one. So don't forget to click on these links. And I will see you very, very soon. Take care. Bye-bye.